If you're looking for a way to maximize the number of pips that you catch in the Forex market, you want to keep watching this video. With the use of the Fibonacci tool, I was able to catch 1,380 pips in about a week and a half. Make sure you stay tuned and listen all the way to the end. I've got a special offer for you. Hey everybody, this is Kaci. I hope you guys are doing well. Long time no see. It's been a minute since I've been on camera. I want to say September, and here it is December. But there have been a lot of things going on, and I'll catch you up to speed a little later in the video. But this video is to let you know of some of the more positive changes that have happened. I am so excited to announce that I will be coming out with my own courses and my own training. You guys have been asking for some of it for a while, and I'm gonna get to do that for you. So my first course is going to be launching next week. It's gonna be the Fibonacci Fantasy. I know that's a very weird name for a course, but when I think about it, you know, the term fantasy is described as something that seems improbable or impossible. And a lot of times people comment on the videos asking, how did you know price was going to go there? How did you know to get in there or get in at that point? And so I'm like, okay, if people only knew how to get the maximum benefit out of the Fibonacci tool, like it could change the course of their trading career. So I've put together a very, very special course that will give you starting at the very basics. So it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, it doesn't matter if you're intermediate, even if you're professional and you don't use Fibonacci, this course is for you. It takes you from the very, very, very beginning and deeply explains the Fibonacci tool and how we use it in the financial markets. So it doesn't matter if you're trading crypto, it doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, anything that has a chart that you can analyze through technical analysis, this course is for you. So I just want to go through just a couple trades where Fibonacci has been instrumental in me securing these pips. So the first one that we have is Euro USD. You'll see I got 100 pips on that one. The next one we have is GBP NZD. This is a big one. This one was 401 pips. The next one we have is GBP JPY, 189 pips. Then we've got GBP AUD, that's 173 pips. Then we've got Euro AUD at 260 pips. Then we've got NZD JPY, that one is 257 pips. And that brings us to a total of 1,380 pips. Now, all of those trades were done in about a week and a half, 2-week period. And that's all because of Fib. So I know a lot of people trade like scalp and whatnot, get in, get out, get in, get out. But the Fib is gonna do a couple things for you. First, it's going to, like I said, let you maximize the number of pips that you can take, right? It shows you just how far a trend is going to continue. The second thing, it's going to reduce the amount of stop outs that you have. You know, right now, a lot of people ask, I don't know how to place my stop. How do you know where to place your stop? I'm going to show you in this training, okay? And then the third thing that the Fibonacci tool will do for you too is it's going to show you the full direction of where you need to be getting into trades at. So it's going to show you entries and exits. It's going to show you where to place your stop loss, and it's going to maximize the amount of pips that you are able to catch. I'm saying pips in the Forex market, but really it'll maximize your opportunity for gain in any financial market. So I am excited. If you want to take advantage right now, what I'm doing, I'm going to release the course in about a week. What I'm doing right now, though, is for those of you who are interested, you want to click the link below the video that says Fibonacci Fantasy Course. For those of you who submit between now and next week, you can secure 40% off of the price of the course. And so that's a very special offer to you as a way to say thank you for those of you guys who have been supporting me for the past 2.5 years on this YouTube journey. So I appreciate you guys. There are some more exciting announcements that I will have that will be coming, and I'm looking forward to it, y'all. And if you're looking for a group of like-minded individuals, traders, you want to make sure that you click the link below the video that says join my no-cost Forex Facebook mastermind group. And there I will do periodic training that'll be no cost, and we'll probably go over a set of pairs on a regular basis, so that you can get the scoop and my perspective on what I think is happening in the market. So again, I appreciate y'all. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. And I'm not going to be a stranger to the camera as much anymore. It's been a lot of stuff going on, you guys. And I hope that very soon I can clue you in as to where I am. So I will see you guys on the next video. I hope that you have a phenomenal rest of the week, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.